friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech Guru. In this one, I'm going to talk about the 4K 60 FPS playback comparison support test between the iQOO Z5 versus the Realme GT Master Edition. And this is a question which has been requested by a few of my subscribers asking me to compare both phones side by side. The main reason is because the iQOO Z5 has got the enhanced versions of the LPDDR5 RAM type and UFS storage 3.1 as well, which is slightly enhanced. And they want to know whether this phone supports the 4K 60 FPS playback or not. So that's what I'm going to exactly demonstrate in this video, and I'll try to use two different samples. One which is a normal video sample and with a low bitrate. Second video which I did record using the Realme GT device 4K 60 FPS. So in this way you'll be able to understand what is happening between these both phones. And both phones, they do have the Snapdragon 778G processor itself, same kind of processor, nothing much huge difference. First let's start playing the 4K 60 FPS in both phones. So if you try to use the hardware decoder, okay. So both phones are not that playing in the hardware decoder. They'll try to stop. Sometimes iQOO Z3 did stop. As you can see in the hardware decoder, if I try to play using the hardware decoder, it's not playing. When I try to change into the software decoder, both phones in the software decoder now seems to be playing slightly close to each other. Nothing much difference. Try to look at the displays in case if you want to note down which display is really saturated and everything. Few of the users, they do have the perception that LCD panel is so much worst and bad, but it depends upon the company what type of panel they are trying to choose. So is the panel really good or not? Because in the IPS LCD panels only there will be so many different panels, IPS LCD ones. So I think if you try to observe this area which looks slightly saturated in this IPS LCD, I'm not sure why it's like that, but you can see the colors slightly saturated a little bit. But this video is recording the 4K 60 FPS, that's something. I need to do the separate video comparison side by side recording the displays, but it looks saturated in the iQOO Z5. So now in this first test, both phones did play slightly close, nothing much difference. In the properties, I'll try to show you what is happening in the properties. So let me just show you the more details. So 60 FPS you can clearly see in terms of the video and everything. I need to show you the bitrate. Bitrate, maybe it's visible from inside. I need to show you the properties and go to the, yes. So because this video bitrate is really low, so when the bitrate is really high, some phones may not be able to support. I think the bitrate in this phone, we won't be able to see it, I think so. So for this video, it's not showing that kind of bitrate, but that's anyway. I need to open the video which I did record using the Realme GT device. So this is a sample video which I recorded using the Realme GT. So this video, shockingly, that it plays really smooth in the iQOO Z5. As you can see, it's playing really smooth in the iQOO Z5, but it's not playing that smooth in the Realme GT Master Edition. You can see that lag is going on, little bit lag. Sometimes, as you can see, it's lagging. For the clarity of this Realme GT. So friends, in terms of the 4K 60 FPS, I think the iQOO Z5 can actually play this video really smooth. That's what I did see. So I'm trying to use in the software decoder as well, but still the phone was unable to play it. Let me to use in the hardware decoder what happens. Let's see, because this phone also using the hardware decoder. So both phones in the same hardware decoder only, same MX player, same video clip which I'm trying to play. iQOO Z5 was able to play really smooth at this point, as you can clearly see, but Realme GT Master Edition, it's struggling to play the video. Now, if I try to change the software decoder, then the video will be playing little bit smooth, but not as smooth as the iQOO Z5. So iQOO Z5, you can see, you can try to look at the display comparisons if you want. You can take a look at the displays as well. Now I'll try to show you the properties of this video. Then you will be able to understand exactly. I'm trying to use only the same video clip in both phones. The 4K 60 FPS is slightly playing in the iQOO Z5, a little bit playable. That's what I did see. And 60 FPS you can clearly see, and 62 bits per second, a high bitrate video, 62.5. There is a high bitrate which I did record using the Realme GT phone, 4K 60 FPS. It's playable in the iQOO Z5 but not in the Realme GT Master Edition. So this is a quick comparison, friends, between both phones. Overall, in terms of the 4K 60 FPS, iQOO Z5 was able to play very smooth without any much problem or any lag at this point, if you compare both phones side by side. As you can clearly see. That's it, friends. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video and let's stay tuned for more updates. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.